Starting your first job? Here's how to make every dollar count. Congratulations, you've just landed your first job, or maybe you're about to enter the workforce. It's an exciting time, your first real paycheck, benefits package, and a world of new opportunities. But let's be honest, it can also feel a bit overwhelming. Suddenly, you're faced with decisions about taxes, retirement accounts, insurance plans, and more. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through 7 essential money moves to set you up for financial success from day one. Whether you're a recent graduate, changing careers, or re-entering the workforce, these 7 strategies will build a strong financial foundation from day one. Did you know that the financial habits you build in your first few years of working can impact your wealth for decades? Imagine this. Saving just $200 a month in your 20s could grow to over $500,000 by retirement. But it's not just about saving. It's about making smart decisions with your new income from the start. We'll show you how to understand where your money goes, maximize your benefits, build wealth on an entry-level salary, and avoid common financial mistakes along the way. So, ready to kickstart your financial journey? Let's dive into these 7 must-know money moves that will help you start your career on the right financial foot. Let's start with something basic, but crucial to understand: your paycheck. That exciting number you were offered, that's your gross pay. But what actually lands in your bank account, the net pay, will be different. Let's break it down. First, there's your gross pay, or the amount before any deductions. Then come the mandatory deductions: taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and healthcare premiums. Then there's voluntary deductions, things you choose, like retirement contributions, extra insurance, and flexible spending accounts. Pro tip: don't be surprised if your take-home pay, or net income, is only about 70 to 80% of your gross salary. Knowing where each dollar is going helps you budget accurately from the start. Think of your paycheck like a pie. Each slice represents a different financial commitment. Some slices, like taxes, are non-negotiable, while others, like retirement contributions, you can adjust as you go. Look closely at your first few pay stubs, especially at your tax withholdings, and make sure everything looks right. Fixing any issues early on will save you from tax surprises down the road. Understanding your paycheck is the foundation of solid financial planning. Now that you know where your money is going, you can make more informed decisions as you budget and save for the future. Now that you understand your take-home pay, let's create a budget that works for you. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about giving your money a purpose, so you can enjoy life while building financial security. One popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs like housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, and minimum debt payments. 30% goes to wants like entertainment, dining out, shopping, travel, and lifestyle upgrades. 20% is for future you: emergency savings, extra debt payments, additional retirement contributions, and other financial goals. Pro tip: track your spending for a month. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. You might be surprised where your money actually goes. Remember, these percentages are flexible, not rigid rules. Living in an expensive city? Adjust as needed. Have loans? You might need to allocate more to debt repayment. The goal is to find a balance that works, while ensuring you're saving for the future. Your first budget may not be perfect, and that's okay. Adjust as you learn and your circumstances evolve. One of the most valuable parts of your new job isn't just the salary, it's your benefits package. Let's break down these key perks so you can make the most of them. Let's talk health insurance. Compare your options by looking at 3 things: monthly premiums coming out of your paycheck, deductibles before insurance kicks in, and what's actually covered. Choose basic coverage if you're typically healthy, or comprehensive if you need more care. Retirement benefits. If your employer offers a 401k, contribute enough to get the full employer match. It's essentially free money. Start small if needed, but start early to benefit from compound growth. Opt for low-cost investments to maximize returns. Look for additional perks, like life and disability insurance, flexible spending accounts for healthcare or commuting, professional development funds, wellness programs, or gym memberships. Pro tip: review options carefully. Many benefits have strict enrollment deadlines and limited opportunities to make changes. Think of your benefits as part of your total compensation. Smart choices here can add significant value to your overall financial picture. Now, let's talk about a crucial financial foundation: building your safety net. Think of it as your personal insurance against life surprises. First priority, your emergency fund. This cash cushion covers unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Keep it in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Start small and contribute regularly. Steps to build your fund: 1. Begin with a $1,000 goal to handle minor surprises. Move up to 1 month's expenses. Finally, work towards that 3 to 6 month target. Smart saving tips: set up automatic transfers each payday. Use windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses. Consider a high-yield savings account for better returns. Other key safety net elements: basic insurance, health, renters or homeowners; disability insurance, often through your employer; life insurance, if anyone relies on your income. Pro tip: don't wait to save until you can put aside a large amount. Even $25 per paycheck adds up over time. Remember, your emergency fund is for true emergencies, not planned expenses or shopping sprees. Building a financial safety net provides peace of mind and flexibility. Start today, $1 at a time. One of the biggest challenges for new workers: managing debt, especially student loans. Remember, debt isn't necessarily bad. It's all about managing it wisely. Start by understanding your debt. List everything from student loans and credit cards to car loans and any other balances. Let's talk debt prioritization. Focus first on high-interest debts like credit cards, then private student loans, federal student loans, and finally, lower-interest debts like car loans. Here's how to manage debt smartly. Make minimum payments on time. Put extra money toward your highest interest debt. Look into refinancing options, and check if your employer offers student loan assistance. For student loans specifically, understand your repayment options. Consider income-driven plans if needed. Explore loan forgiveness programs, and keep track of your payments. Pro tip: while paying down debt is key, don't overlook retirement savings or your emergency fund. Balance is essential. Remember, managing debt is a marathon. Stick to your strategy and celebrate each step forward. Now, let's dive into something exciting: starting to invest. Investing early, even with small amounts, can hugely impact your financial future. Start with your employer's retirement plan. Here's why. If your company matches your contributions, that's literally free money. Don't leave it on the table. For beginners, I recommend 2 simple options. Index funds. They're like buying a piece of the entire market or target date funds. They adjust automatically as you get closer to retirement. For individual stocks, consider them only after building a foundation. Pro tip: start small but stay consistent. Even $50 a month can grow into something significant over time. And remember, know your risk comfort level, protect your emergency fund, and never let emotions drive your investment choices. Pro tip: focus on time in the market, not timing it. Consistent investing usually outperforms trying to predict market movements. Remember, investing isn't about quick wins. It's about steadily building wealth over time. Start today, even if it's just a small monthly amount. As we wrap up, let's talk about positioning yourself for long-term career and financial success. Your first job is just the start of an exciting journey. For professional development, keep upgrading your skills through training, build your network, and stay on top of industry trends. When it comes to financial growth, regularly review your budget, increase savings as you earn more, explore additional income streams, and continue learning about personal finance. Looking ahead, Set clear goals for your career advancement. Consider further education or certifications. Explore entrepreneurship possibilities and envision your path to financial independence. Pro tip: treat your career and financial goals as connected journeys. Career growth often boosts financial stability, and strong finances open more career options. Remember, success is all about consistent progress, not perfection. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and seize opportunities for both professional and financial growth. Let's recap the 7 essential moves to set yourself up for financial success in your first job. 1. Understanding your paycheck. Know where every dollar goes. 2. Building your budget. Give each dollar a purpose. 3. Maximizing your benefits. Take full advantage of available perks. 4. Creating your safety net. Prepare for life's surprises. 5. Managing debt wisely. Stay on top of obligations. 6. Starting to invest. Begin building long-term wealth. 7. Planning for growth. Connect career advancement with financial success. Starting your first job is an exciting milestone and a prime opportunity to build smart financial habits. You don't need to do it all at once. Begin by understanding your paycheck and setting up a basic budget, then move forward step by step. Take action today. Review your paycheck details. Set up an initial budget. Explore your benefits package. Start an emergency fund, even if it's small. Your future self will thank you for the smart choices you make today. You've got this, and we're here to support you on your financial journey. Questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building a prosperous future. Before you go, here are some valuable resources to support your financial journey. Let's explore 4 key resources to support your journey. Free tools and apps that help with budgeting, investing, and financial planning. Educational resources including websites, courses, and books to build your knowledge. Professional guidance on when and how to work with financial advisors. And online communities where you can connect, ask questions, and share experiences. Start with free resources, then explore advanced options as your knowledge grows.